Hello friend, welcome to Study Technique. In current section is based on weekly current affair from 18 September to 14 September, and in this section we will cover important 38 questions of month September. Question number 1. Name of the winner of the Italian Grand Prix 2020, and your answer is option number C. It's Pierre Gasly, and it is the first Grand Prix of his career. And here is the question number 2. Which country was the host nations of 35th Food and Agricultural Organizations 2020? And your answer is option number B. It's Bhutan, and specifically it is based on ASEAN. And question number 3. The decontamination device Chakra Decov to decontaminated A95 mass has been launched by, and your answer is option number A. It is launched by IIT Delhi. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as the President of Indian Automobile Manufacturer 2020? And your answer is option number A. It's Kenichi Awaka. Question number 5. Name of the place which has been declared by Donald Trump as the first World War II heritage city. And the answer is option number C. It's Wellington. The 45th President of United States, Donald Trump, the largest economics of the world. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the President of Federation of Automobile? And the answer is Vinesh Gulati. Question number 7. Which of the following Union Territory recently launched portal named Smart Performance Appraisal Report Recording Online Window? And the answer is option number D. Jammu and Kashmir. And the Lieutenant General of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha, and it is divided on 18 August 2019. Currently, Home Minister is Amit Shah. DRDO recently tested the hypersonic technology demonstration vehicle successfully, and the question is India gained prosperity has which number of country to test it? And your answer is option number A, 4th. And before India, Russia, America and China successfully tested the hypersonic technology. Question number 9. The Vodafone India Limited has rebranded itself under new branded name of the companies, and the answer is option number A. It's VI. Question number 10. Who released the report titled The State of Young Child in India? And your answer is the currently Vice President of India. It's Venkaiah Naidu. Question number 11. Which company partnered with Cyber Peace Foundation to create awareness among students? And the most popular, WhatsApp. Question number 12. Which of the following countries chaired the G20 education meeting? And is Saudi Arabia. Question number 13. Keshavanand Bharati, who passed away recently, was option number B. Spiritual leaders. And if I am talking about Keshavanand Bharati, is the famous case in Indian history related to Keshavanand Bharati versus State of Kerala in 1973, related to the Article 368 of Indian Constitution, appearing to the Parliament capacity to amend the Indian Constitutions. Okay. Question number 14. Gobind Swarup passed away recently was known as, and he was known as the option number C, father of Indian radio astronomy. Question number 15. Who among the following begged with Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2020? And your answer is it's option number B, David Attenborough. Question number 16. Which of the following bank has launched signature Visa debit card? And it's option number B, Bank of India. Question number 17. Which of the following state recently launched educational WhatsApp named Aapka Mitra? And it's option number B, Haryana. Manohar Lal Khattar, CM. Reserve Bank of India has seized the banking operation of which payment bank? And it's option number D, Aditya Birla Idea Payment Bank. Question number 19. Who has been appointed as the president of India Tennis Association? And it's option number B. It's Anil Jain. Question number 20. What is the GDP growth rate prediction for India in FY21 by India Rating and Research in 2021? And it's option number A, minus 11.08. Question number 21. Which bank has topped the Easy Banking Reform Index 2020? And it's option number D, Bank of Baroda. Question number 22. Which of the following state recently launched nutrition scheme YSR Sampurna Poshan? And your answer is option number D, Andhra Pradesh. And it is well known to you that if in question you get the symbol YSR, it is obviously based on Andhra Pradesh, because the CM of Andhra Pradesh is YRS Congress politicians Jagan Mohan Reddy, and their every policy is named on the symbol of YSR. It is a common logic for you. Question number 23. Who is appointed as brand ambassador of Player Sport? And your answer is option number B. It's Bhuvan Kumar, the fastest bowler of Indian cricket. Question 24. How many Rafale aircraft have been formally inducted in India Air Force in the first batch recently? And it's 5. And recently it flies from the France. And answer is option number B. It's 5. Question 25. Name of the dispute redressal mechanism launched by the Ministry of Shipping for all kind of dispute of maritime sector. And if you're checking the option, your answer is option number D. It's Sarat Courts. Question number 26. Which bank has launched the Startup 2.0 Startup Bank account? And your answer is it's option number C, ICICI Bank. Question 27. Who among the following has recently been appointed as one of the 11 panelists of WHO's panel for pandemic preparedness? And your answer is option number B, Preeti Sajan from India. Question number 28. Who among the following has recently claimed the World Championship status, the USO World Championship? And your answer is option number B, Poonam Khetri from India. Question 29. Hubballi railway station in Karnataka will be renamed as? And it will be renamed as option number B, Siddhartha Swami railway station. Question number 30. Who has been appointed as the new chief of National School of Drama? And it's option number B, Paresh Rawal. Question 31. The Union Home Ministry recently granted the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act registration to which temple? And it's the famous option number C, Golden Temple from Amritsar. Question number 32. As per Moody's, the GDP growth of rate of India in 2021 will be minus 11.5. Question 33. What is the rank of India in Global Economic Freedom 2020? And India occupied the rank of 105, and Hong Kong topped in this rank. Question 34. The Aero India 21 is scheduled to held in, and it is scheduled to held in at Bangalore. Question number 35. United Nations Children Fund has appointed which Bollywood actor as its brand ambassador? And its all-time favorite, Ayushmann Khurrana. Question 36. Which of the following state has launched India's biggest PRE mission outlay of 209 crore? And you checking the option, it's option number C, Meghalaya. Question 37. Which country has topped the Global Economic Freedom Index 2020? And it is formal talking about me, it's Hong Kong. Question number 38. What is the estimate GDP of India 2021-22 by Moody's? And it's option number A, 10.6, and it's minus 10.6. Okay. So friend, comment section is end with such question, and if you think the video is helpful to you, and made subscribe and made like and share to your friends, and made subscribe to channel, because your like and subscribe inspire me to create more and more video. So thankful.